guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here, so let's jump into it. I do want to put a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so opening this month's box up, we have the product card, and this month's theme is Express Yourself. First product in this month's Boxycharm box is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I have this on right now, and I just feel like my lips are a little bit more plump, a little bit more fuller than normal. I love the way this stuff feels when you put it on the lips. It gives that slight tingling sensation. Yeah, I've tried this stuff out before and just absolutely love it. The Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump retails for $32. Next in this month's box, we have the Sun-Kissed Summer Palette by Voss. And this is such a pretty little palette, you guys. I have it on my eyes today. And I just am so in love with this shade right here. It is just so stunning, so gorgeous. So glittery and so pigmented. The Voss Sun-Kissed Summer Palette retails for $37. Next, we have the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer. And this is formulated to really fade out any wrinkles, fine lines, big pores. It has an antioxidant-rich formula that smooths the skin and provides a long wear time for your makeup. When I put this on, I instantly noticed a difference in my pores, and I feel like my skin looks awesome today. The Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer retails for $38. Next, we have this bronzer by Vice Art or Viseart. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it, but it is so absolutely gorgeous. I love the little packaging. You just pull this up, pull this down, and there is the product inside with a little mirror. It is so, so stunning. I have it on today, and this is a lightweight and long-wearing matte bronzer. The Viseart bronzer retails for $30. Last but not least in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Beauty Vault eyeliner. And this is a highly pigmented, waterproof, long-lasting eyeliner. And it's just got a felt tip, and you can create thicker lines, thinner lines. I'm in love. The Beauty Vault eyeliner retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm base box. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to grow your makeup, skincare, and hair care collection. And who doesn't love getting porch presents every single month? I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.